friends. We're going to take a walk around Caesars Danville in Danville, Virginia. This may be one of the few actual complete resort walkthroughs that you'll see on YouTube. I did it recently, and I hope you enjoy it. to be the check-in area if you're staying at the hotel. And we're just going to walk around these hallways a little bit and kind of check out and see what else is around. So on the left there was Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. Right here is kind of a little store that you can go in there and get water and I guess some toiletries, things like that. I saw some suitcases in there as well. I didn't actually go inside, but it's kind of a little convenience store, kind of an essentials kind of place. Kind of walking out to this kind of atrium area. We're going to look out the window there and see a few things. It's kind of pretty here. So we just passed the elevators that I suppose lead to the hotel rooms if you were staying there. We're going down to the end of this hallway. I didn't know it was down here when I walked down, but it's actually where the exercise room is and also the spa, just to show you where those are located. There's kind of a small exercise room. It's got a lot of stuff in there, but
exercise room.
It's kind of small. There wasn't anybody in there at that time. And here's the spa right here.
That looks like the spa. Okay. Cool.
So up here on the right, you're going to get a little better look at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. And you can kind of see down there a little bit. There's people kind of lined up to get in to get something to eat. And of course there on the right you can see that they have a Starbucks there just off the casino floor, easy to get to. this area roped off. It appeared to be their conference area, but I couldn't walk down there and check it out any further, but that's probably what it was. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.